Whenever you go to do a recording, something that you might run into is a need to extend a scene. For example, let's say that you do a recording and everything goes well, but when you go back and you edit it, you think, I'd like to maybe do a little more explanation in this particular section of the video. Or maybe I want to add an advertisement or some text information or something. And I'd really like that frame, that particular scene, to just continue on for a little bit longer. That's called extending frames. Your video is made up of individual still images, individual pictures of your desktop. And they're played back to back, and that creates the animation that's in the movie. So all you have to do to extend a section is extend one of those frames. You're basically saying, I want this frame to last 3 seconds. So then what Camtasia is going to do is just take that frame and continue to duplicate it for the length of time that you specified. Now let's find a good section here where the video, maybe where there was some typing. Right here. Okay, and if we play this,
type some text.
Okay, you can see that it just goes right through and starts typing text. Now, what I want to do is right here, when it starts typing, I'm going to extend that frame for, let's say, 5 seconds. With the playhead positioned, I'm going to right-click on the clip, go to Extend Frame, and then I'm going to type just a 5 and click OK. Now notice this segment right here. This contains the repetition necessary to extend that single frame for 5 seconds. And you'll notice that the audio gets clipped away here. It gets cut and then it resumes over here. That's because obviously we can't just make up audio. But one of the reasons that you might want to do this is so that you can record some additional audio. So you might record something to explain it even further, and then that is going to fill up this section here where there's no audio. So now if I play this, it's going to get to that point. It's going to just stay there for 5 seconds, and now it resumes.
And then we would show.
Okay, so that is extending a frame. Position your cursor, position the playhead, right-click on the clip, extend frame, and then how many seconds you want it to be extended. Let's do 2.5, 2.5 seconds. Hit OK, and there is our extended frame. Now, after the fact, after you've put your extended frame in there, let's say you realize, I made a mistake. Don't worry about it. This is completely editable, just like a real video clip. That means I can click on it, hit the delete key, and get rid of it. And let's zoom in a little bit closer here. So here's my still extended frame. If I wanted to just say shave off maybe a second of this roughly, I can just highlight it and do cut. Okay, so I can work with this just like I'm working with video.